Assalamu alaikum guys. Yesterday we visited Khosh Hal Restaurant, a place that has been getting attention for its unique Desi setup. The special thing about this place is that it's good for celebrating birthdays, so we went here because it was my brother's birthday. Honestly, the decor is the highlight here. The Desi truck and the rickshaw give full Pakistani street vibes. Every corner looks very colorful and photo-friendly. The atmosphere is lively and family friendly. It's a nice spot to hang out, especially if you enjoy themed restaurants. Check this out. Now, let's talk about the food. We tried a few Pakistani dishes, and to be honest, the food was average. I would rate it 3.5 stars, and that was the end. Hope you liked it. See you soon. Bye!